comment questions answered about attributes. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and as you can see, here we go. We are going to be answering a question in the comments section about a get attribute and set attribute with the double underscore. Okay, so let's get into it. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos, one little video at a time. So double underscore, let's kind of just talk about this for a minute. So the double underscore is the method that will be associated with a function or an action. So as you can see here, this is from our class object, the repr function and the string function. So let's just go ahead, let's see, R1, yeah. So all right. So what is happening in the background with this double underscore method of the get attribute and set attribute? So it's literally right here. So when I call one of the attributes, so right here, width is an attribute of our R1. So when I am using this in the background with Python, the get attribute width method, that double underscore method, is enacting. And if we look right here, we have the get attribute, the name, and it's going to then call that name and then output the value. Then let's look at set attribute. So now if we were to reassign this, and if I were to do length, if I spell length correct, then I am resetting this. So here's the name, and then here's the value. Let's change it to 15. Then when I call R1, it knows to change because this is the object, that's the self, here's the name, and here's the value, as we are right here. So with these double underscores, they have a methodology inside Python, and it understands what to do when these certain actions, because here's the object, here's the name, and it understands what to do. So absolutely very good question. I know when I first read this, I shared this repr and string, and I did not quite understand what the question was. But the difference between other regular methods and double underscore methods, I know I had attempted to make a video on this one time before, and I went back and rewatched it. It touched on some of the subject matter of that. Some go away, some have the attributes, and some have the methods that are defaulted, like a string. You're going to have a double underscore method of len for a string, but you're not going to have that for an integer because it is not an iterable. So these type of objects. So there are some that when the type of class that you are creating or you are using, it has a set standard of what double underscore methods are predisposed. Now, when you're creating your own, you can go through and do all of these things. So like I could come in here and set attribute and do something really weird to it. But if I were to change in default, I wouldn't then be able to create anything because I would have done something different to this set attribute double underscore method, where here I am saying that with my double underscore string, that when I call or when I print R1 here, this print interacts with double underscore string, and I get this output, where when I call when I call R1, my object, this repr is initiated because when you call an object, so there are hooks in Python, that certain things are associated with certain instructions and Python knows where to look. So there we go. Absolutely fantastic question. If you like this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And if you have not joined Discord, also down below, there is a link for the Discord server. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please drop any comments, questions, video requests, either here or over on the server. But as always, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye guys.